Welcome to Friday Morning Ramblings Mini. I just spent about an hour and a half editing 59, which was going to come out today, but I ended up losing it. Anyway, that'll come out maybe on Sunday, but this is a mini Friday Mornings Rambling, and I'm going to show you drone footage of the garden behind me and some of my property. I thought it would be kind of cool just to do a 4-minute video so you can see the rusted garden from the sky. But let me just show you where I am at right now. Some of the things I just want to stick with the Friday Morning Ramblings idea is I've emptied the space here. And I don't want people to feel like you got to fill your beds right away. Take your time, slowly put crops in and kind of do succession planting. So you're getting a nice harvest over the season rather than filling every kind of nook and cranny in your beds and you get all this production and you can't eat it or give it away. But the garden's looking pretty good. The regular Friday Morning Ramblings will be out come probably Sunday. I'm going to be at Freetown Farm tomorrow. It's kind of exciting. I'm going to get to meet a bunch of you, talk about vegetable gardening. But the garden looks good. Let me show you the drone footage. I think you'll really like it. I didn't really realize how big the garden was until I saw it from above because I'm always in here, but it's really, really cool.